In today's video, we are going to cover how to archive an email thread in Clio Manage. You should already be signed in to your Clio Manage account. From there, move to the left-hand navigation menu and click Communications. This opens the area where communication records are organized, including emails connected to your matters and contacts. Once you are in Communications, open the Email section. In this view, look through the listed messages and find the email thread you want to manage. Take a moment to confirm that you have selected the correct conversation before opening it, especially if you have several threads with similar subject lines. Click the email thread to open its details. This will bring you into the thread view, where you can review the contents of the communication and the action controls available for that record. At the top of the email, you will see the action icons that can be used with this thread in the current Clio Manage interface. Review those icons carefully. In the version shown here, the available actions include Edit, Print, Delete, Open externally, and Activity or History. What matters here is that there is no archive option visible in this set of actions. If you are looking specifically for a way to archive the thread from this screen, that option is not present. Because Clio Manage does not provide an archive action for this email thread in the current interface, the thread cannot be archived from this screen. That is the key result to confirm as you review the available controls. You can open the thread, inspect the actions, and verify what is available. But archiving is not one of the actions offered here. If your goal is to remove the email from Clio Manage instead, use the trash can icon only when you intend to delete the communication. Deleting and archiving are not the same action, so it is worth pausing here before you click. The trash can will remove the communication rather than place it into an archive state, and this screen does not provide a separate archive control as an alternative. That means the path in this view is limited to the actions shown at the top of the email thread. You can edit, print, delete, open the message externally, or review activity and history, but you cannot archive the thread from here. If you arrived at this screen expecting an archive button, reviewing the icons confirms that it is not available in the current Clio Manage email thread interface. Thanks for watching. You have now confirmed that this Clio Manage email thread cannot be archived from the current screen.